Now it's time for the Rockers' second outing with All I Really Need Is You. Say hi to David Cook again.
After all these years, after all these tears between us, still I couldn't find someone half as right as you. And each time I stop to think what it is I really need, then I must conclude all I really need is you. Just say what you wanna say. You don't have a chance in the world. Knowing how I tried to come close to losing you. With you on my world, I spent so many nights trying but in vain to tell you. Yes, you know it's true. All I really need is you.
Yo. David, check it out, baby. Yo. Check it out. You know what, man? I'm a huge David Cook fan right now because, again, you rocked the house again tonight with that right there. That was blazing.
David, I'm so proud of you. You not only picked two songs that are so less familiar than Neil Diamond's hits, you are the only one that was able to pull that off. I feel like I'm already looking at the American Idol. I really do.
David, I'm going to be honest with you. I thought the first song was okay. I thought the second song was brilliant. You actually made that feel like that song was written this year, and that was the point I was trying to make to Jason. You changed the arrangement, you made it work for you. That was smart. Well done.
He's the daring one.
David Cook. The numbers, ready? 1-866-IDOL-02 or 07, 1-866-436-5702 or 07, or you can text word vote to 5702. Thank you very much, sir. I know you're stoked.
Thank you.
We're going to take a breather. After the break, Brooke and David Archuleta go head-to-head. Hang on. We're going to open up the lines in a second. Check out the numbers one more time.
Money talks, but it don't sing and dance and it don't walk. As long as I can have you here with me, I'd much rather be forever in blue jeans, baby. September morn, we danced until the night became a brand new day, and two lovers playing scenes from some romantic play. God, I'm alive. I wanna take all that life has got to give. All I need is someone to share it with. I got love, and love is all I really need to live. I'm alive, yeah, knowing how I tried to come close to losing you. With you on my world.
Then I saw your face. Now I'm a believer. Without a trace of doubt in my mind, I'm in love. I am myself. when I couldn't wait. Hello. I thank the Lord for the nighttime. I thank the Lord for you, yeah. Oh, I thank the Lord for you.
The lines are open. Remember, they're 866 numbers, not 800 numbers. You'll have 2 hours to vote. You don't have to call both numbers for your vote to count. Just get those votes in. Coming up tomorrow night, check it out live. Neil Diamond and Natasha Bedingfield join us. Plus, of course, the results. That's at 9, 8 Central. Look at these faces. Who will be the next American Idol? One of them wins this competition. Remember to vote for your favorite. Thanks for watching, guys. The Nicest Chef on TV is on now. Hell's Kitchen. We're out. See you guys.